Hi folks, Dave here. I'm on Sally Jane and I'll be spending the night for the first time since October of 2020, and it's now April 2021. So lockdown's been lifted enough that we are allowed to stay overnight away from our homes. So here I am. And tomorrow's an important day for Sally. We have a guy called Nigel coming up from a company called Marine Glass Solutions, and he's going to help me take my entire front windscreen off, clean up all the silicone, all the joints, all the gutters, all the drains, all the seals, and we're going to put it all completely back to be brand new. So I'll just spin the camera around, give you a quick show what I mean by replacing stuff, and yeah, hopefully tomorrow there'll be a time lapse of him doing the work. But let me give you a quick show of what we're going to be doing tomorrow. So moving this. So this silicone bead here on the bottom is, no, you won't be able to see that I don't think, but it gets wet and it leaks and it dribbles in underneath and around, and it starts all the way up here. The leak actually starts in that top corner and comes all the way down. You can see someone's had a go at butchering some silicone into it in the past, but yeah, not done a very good job. And then, you know, all the rubber seals up here are quite honestly knackered, so it's leaking all the way around the top seal as well. Now there's also a drainage channel in here that's supposed to drain to outside with some holes on the outside, and that drainage channel is completely blocked all the way around as well. But the windscreen seals are that bad, as you can see in there, but it's actually bulging out of the seal. It's that knackered. They are just basically 20 years old, and you can see here got the same problem as the other side, but here the water's coming in that bad, but it's actually, you know, going green and making the entire kind of thing go mouldy. There's a little gutter channel there of silicone, and it's just all going mouldy, and it runs all the way down here, drips all the way down here behind this cup holder, and all the way down onto that floor corner down there, where I don't think you can see it, but it's actually green in that corner and mouldy and manky, and that's all because this seal, full length all the way up here, is leaking. So it's all coming off. All of these seals have been replaced. The full length of the window, everything's been done, all new silicone, and by the end of tomorrow, no more leaks. So yeah, so it's a big day for Sally tomorrow. That's a really big repair job out of the way, and not one that I could tackle myself. So yeah, it'll be good. As I say, I'll try and get you a time lapse, but if I don't, I'll certainly show you around all the work after it's been done and show you how much better it is than it currently is. So yeah, we'll speak to you tomorrow. So Nigel's finished doing our windows, and I tried to get a time lapse, but unfortunately it turns out that my GoPro only has one battery and it only lasts about an hour on time lapse, so I didn't manage to get any video, but I can show you the end result. So this is all new seal here, all new silicone. It looks lovely, all new, nice and sealed. So hopefully no more leaking windows. Come in, it's all new, all the way up, all the way down. So no more bulging rubbers. He's sealed in here. He's put a line of black silicone all the way in there, as well as redone all the white. So as you can see, there's no more green stain as there was in the previous version, and all the new seal is in and right and watertight. So yeah, hopefully we'll find out when it rains, but that looks like a well done job. So with a bit of luck we will be leak free. And yeah, so that's it. Very short video because unfortunately, as I say, didn't get any time-lapse footage. But yeah, we are done. We are newly sealed, freshly sealed windows, and hopefully leak-free. And on to the next job now. So until then, take care everyone, and I will see you all later. Bye.